sir for a warm welcoming, and thank you madam for welcoming with a beautiful flower bouquet. So I'm Dr. Prajwala. As sir already told, I have been serving Ayurveda since 18 years. So other than that, we also have a NGO called Praditi Foundation, wherein we take care of end-to-end needs of cancer patients. Like we do awareness. Sir told mainly Silk Board is mainly into empowering rural people, tribal people and all. So from our fraternity, from medical fraternity, we actually do awareness in the rural area more. Rural areas, government schools and self-help groups. So we do mainly awareness about cancer. Because as everybody know, cancer is the reigning problem all over the world, including India. So India is the number one in breast cancer and cervical cancer. So we give awareness mainly to the self-help group, Swasahaya Sangha. So for the ladies particularly, because as you know, one lady, if she gets educated, one whole family will be educated. So similar concept we adopt. We educate the ladies about different diseases, not only cancer, different diseases, but we stress more about cancer particularly. And we do screening. Yearly once or twice screening. Screening means I have my friends who are doctors, so we do general examination for almost all. Wherever we give awareness will be a group of 50 people, 100 people, not more than that. 50 to 80 we take. So we'll be around a team of 4 doctors. So we do general examination for all. So if any doubtful history, we generally take patient history and we do physical examination. So if there is any doubtful history or physically if we find any doubtful conditions, we get them for the higher centers. So we have tied up with a few medical colleges. Like Sridevi Institute of Medical Science in Tumkur, R.N. Jalapa Institute of Oncology at Kolar, then Ramaya Institute here, Bangalore, Rajarajeshwari Institute of Medical Science. So those medical, we have actually personally met the chairmans or the owners and requested about all these conditions. So by God's grace, they have agreed to take up the free treatment for our patients. So it is with a very minimal cost. Probably if you take a surgery in a private Apollo hospital, which costs minimum of 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs, we get it for around 10,000, 8 to 10,000. So that is also only the diagnostic they charge. Like if in case they need a CT, MRI or usually PET scan we do. PET scan usually in a private setup it will be around 25,000. So we get a discounted rate of around 8,000. PET scan is the entire body scanning to detect cancer particularly. So wherever, because as you all know, cancer might be a region specific, area specific. Like it might be a oral cancer, but it can spread, it could be in any part of the body. Secondary cancer or metastasis we call. So whenever we get any doubt about cancer patients, we directly refer them to PET scans to see which part of the body is affected. So all these like at reasonable price we are doing. So surgeries we get free of cost, and if in case there is a death of that particular patient, those patients' children we adopt. So their education and health needs we take care. Like whatever they're educated, they go to the normal regular schools like the trust-oriented schools or government schools, the nominal fees schools. So there is school fees, the education supplies like books, school uniform, shoes, whatever the education needs, yearly once we provide them. And every 3 months once we do a routine checkup for those children because cancer is like passed on from generation to generation. So just to avoid whatever possible from our side we are doing. So right now, Praditi Foundation has around 89 kids with us. 89 kids with us. So thank you so much. So just to add on for that, as a part of fundraising event we can call, we are hosting a program called Swastha Karnataka, the banner which we have already posted. I thought I talked it last, but it is like on the floor. So the program is inaugurated by our esteemed Chief Minister Shri Siddaramaiah sir with the Health Minister Dinesh Gundurrao sir. So this in this event, it's a 2-day event at Palace Grounds, wherein we are doing a free medical checkup for all. So the expected crowd is around 10,000. We have tied up with all major hospitals like Ramaya Hospital, Sparsh, Apollo, Fortis, Manipal. So all hospitals on behalf of us, they are doing a free camp, which includes even the breast thermal scanning. So breast thermal scanning is to detect breast cancer. So that in a private setup will cost around 4.5 thousand. That we are giving it for free. And a BMD scan, BMD is bone mineral density scan, which costs around 6,000, 5 to 6,000. So that we are giving it for free. we are getting a Volvo bus which is equipped with all the diagnostic tests. So, like this, we are planning to have a free medical camp on those 2 days. So, I request, I'll share the brochures with sir. So, I request you share with your groups. If in case you cannot come also, it will be beneficial for the reading. Your mates can come or any teachers can come, anybody, whoever wants to know, wants to have a free diagnostic. It's mainly diagnostic we are doing, not the treatment camp. It's a diagnostic camp to just to detect, because as you all know, early detection is early cure. Positive prevention is better than cure, but at least early detection will be early cure. So I'll share the details with sir, which in turn could be shared with you and your friends or family members, so that any person getting benefit is good for us and that is good for the society. So this is about me and foundation and what activities we are doing in brief. Thank you one and all. So coming back to the topic, today as you all know, it's World Ayurveda Day, or precisely Dhanvantri Jayanti. From the central government is celebrating since last 9 years, and today is the 9th year of Dhanvantri Jayanti or Ayurveda Day. So I'm very grateful for sir for inviting me for this occasion. So going in brief for the topics. So as you all know, we are doctors or all fraternity. Lord Dhanvantri is our God.